The journey begins in a world full of lush greenery, while delicate flowers bloom and a light wind whispers through the trees. High above, the crested serpent eagle sits calmly, enjoying the peaceful weather, while the gray-headed swan takes its morning walk. The Bronzed Drongo drinks fresh water, its dark feathers gleaming under the sunlight. Nearby, the Brown Violetear carefully cleans its feathers, each one a masterpiece of shimmering beauty. A quiet branch, the beautiful red-billed Blue Magpie bridges, its curious eyes scanning the surrounding, as if searches for something hidden in the nature's embrace. Look at the slender Antbird, a wonder of nature with its deep red eyes, a touch of mystery in the dense forest. Painted Bunting, often called the seven color bird, it's truly a living rainbow. Its bright blue and green red feathers make it one of the most breathtaking birds in the world. As the journey nears its end, the Rufous-winged Philentoma sits among the trees. Its beauty, a quiet reminder of nature's simplicity. The flowing lake sparkles in the final scene, surrounded by rich greenery, a symbol of life's endless energy and peace.